there are like basically three types of trauma. So acute trauma, which is like you see something horrific, maybe you've seen an accident or there was pandemic. Then there is chronic trauma, which is like maybe someone has gone through dysfunctional family or domestic violence. That one incident it led to series of prolonged experience and exposure in that very setup, which led to chronic trauma. And complex trauma, which I went through, is series of events like maybe the person got bullied, maybe the person had dysfunctional wounds, there were triggers with the society, there were triggers how people set up their thought process, spiritual wounds, and all together culminates down to chronic trauma.